Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello and good morning, Holly Shields here, and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for the ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Today we'll look at some ASX listed stocks in the news on the back of some key announcements. First up, Australian biopharmaceutical company Telix Pharmaceuticals has today provided an update regarding its marketing authorization application in Europe for its investigational product Illuccix. The company said that in the late stages of review, the Danish Medicines Agency, in consultation with other European regulatory authorities, has requested additional chemistry, manufacturing and control data. According to the ASX announcement, the company said that these requests cannot be reasonably delivered within the prescribed review timeframe, and therefore Telix has elected to withdraw the application. The company also announced that the Chinese National Medical Products Administration has approved the study of Telix kidney cancer imaging. And today the company's shares traded at $4.96, down around 7.98%. Following this, multi-site branded food retail chain Restaurants Brand New Zealand has today released its interim report. The report stated that the company has earned a group net profit after tax of $15.3 million for the 6 months ending June 30. The company's total store sales has hit a new high of about $585 million, while total sales in Australia were about $123 million, up 7% on last year. The company said that it continues to face cost inflation pressures across all markets, but it is mitigating the impact by implementing cost savings and taking price increases where possible. Despite this, the extent of cost inflation has meant that the opportunity to pass input costs on in the short term has been limited, with consequent short-term adverse profit impacts. The company also said that it continues to face challenges from the COVID-19 pandemic-related aspects. Restaurant Brands New Zealand last closed at $12.40 Australian. Next up, on the 14th of October 2015, BHP announced that it had priced 600 million euros of subordinated fixed-rate reset notes in the sterling market at 650%. The notes were issued by BHP Billiton Finance, and they are due in 2077. Today, the company announced that in accordance with its group strategy and strong liquidity position, it's given notice to holders of the notes that it will exercise its contractual option to redeem and cancel the notes. The mining giant said that the notes shall be redeemed on the 22nd of October this year at their outstanding principal amount plus any accrued interest in accordance with their terms and conditions. The company also said that the payment in respect of the notes will be made on the 24th of October. Today, BHP shares traded at $38.09, up by 2.39%. And then finally, Australian mining explorer Alderan Resources has today announced that Rio Tinto's subsidiary, that is Kennecott Exploration, is continuing drilling at Alderan's Frisco project in Utah, USA. Alderan's managing director Scott Caithness said that Kennecott is continuing to identify and drill new high-potential copper-gold targets at Frisco. The drilling is expected to be completed in October of this year, with assays likely in early 2023. Today, Alderan shares traded at 1 cent, up around 11.11%. All right, now that is it for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. Tune in for another episode coming your way. Until then, keep it locked on Kalkine TV. Holly Shields here, signing off.